Welcome, first grade math rock stars. Today is April 2nd, and here is our I can statement for math today. I can use my number grid to add two-digit numbers. Earlier this week, we built our own number grid, and then we practiced using our number grid by playing Race to 100. And we're going to use those same tens jumps and ones hops today to add our two-digit numbers. What you're going to need for today's math lesson is your number grid, some scrap paper, and one of your game pieces that you used in Race to 100 yesterday. Now, before we start adding these two-digit numbers, you may remember from our place value unit being asked, what is the value of each digit in a two-digit number? And what that's asking us here, the value is asking us, what are these digits worth? Because we know that the 3 in 36 isn't just worth 3. If it were just worth 3, it would be 3 and 6, that equals 9. But this number isn't 9, this number is 36. So we know that the 3 in 36 must be worth something different than just 3. And one way that we can show this is by drawing the number in place value. So if I were to draw the number 36 in place value, I would first draw my tens, 10, 20, 30, and then I would draw my ones, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now, what told me that I had to draw 3 tens? The number 3 digit in the tens place told me I had to draw 3 tens. So this digit told me I must draw 3 tens. And 3 tens is worth 10, 20, 30. So the 3 digit in the tens place of 36 has a value of 10, 20, 30. The 3 in 36 has a value of 30. Now, what told me that I had to draw these 6 ones cubes? Right, it was the number 6 in the ones place of 36. So the number 6 in the ones place is valued or is worth or has a value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 in 36 has a value of just 6. Right, and that makes sense because if we were to do 30 plus 6, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 30 plus 6 equals 36. So we're going to want to keep in mind that the digits in our tens and ones places have different values when we start adding our double-digit numbers. So let's take that number we built, 36, and let's add another number to it. So let's solve this problem right here. We'll do 22 plus 36. So what I'm going to do is just like I would on a number line, using a number line to solve an addition or subtraction problem, I'm going to start by putting my piece on the first number I'm given, and that number is 22. So I'm going to find 22 on my grid, put my piece right on 22. Now we could take 36 ones hops, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that would take a really long time. Now a quicker way that we could do that is because we know that this number is going to have a different value. The number in the tens place is going to have a different value than just 3. So just like we would draw 3 10 sticks to show 30, we can take 3 tens jumps to show adding 30. 1 tens jump, 2 tens jumps, 3 tens jumps. And each jump adding 10, adding 20, adding 30. So one more time, 1 tens jump, 2 tens jump, 3 tens jumps. I landed on 52, but I'm not done because I have a 6 in the ones place. But I'm not going to need tens jumps anymore to add my 6 in the ones place, because we already know from our drawing that our 6 in 36 just has a value of 6. So I'm going to take ones hops now. 6 ones hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 22 plus 36 equals 58. And that was our first problem. Let's go ahead and solve numbers 2 and 3 together. So go ahead and write this problem down. 41 plus 55. Same as before, I'm going to start with my piece on the first number, 41. Now I'm going to take, how many tens jumps will I need to take? If I'm adding 55, what digit is in the tens place of 55? 5. So I'm going to take 5 tens jumps. 1 tens jump, 2 tens jumps, 3 tens jumps, 4 tens jumps, 5 tens jumps. But I'm not done because I have a digit in the ones place. What digit is in the ones place of 55? Right, 5 again. But this 5 has a different value. It's only worth 5 because it's in the ones place. So now I need to take 5 ones hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I landed on 96. So 41 plus 55 equals 96. Let's do one more together, and then you can try number 4 on your own. So let's write the next one down. 45 plus 13. Okay, so what's the first thing I should do? What should I do with my game piece? You're right, I should put it on the first number I'm given, which is 45. Now to add the number 13, how many tens jumps do I need to take? Just 1, because I have a 1 in the tens place of 13. 1 tens jump. But I'm not done because I still have another digit in the ones place. What is my digit in the ones place? That's right, it's a 3. So should I take 3 more tens jumps? No, and why not? Why should I not take 3 more tens jumps? Tell the loved one that you're working with. Now I'm hoping that you said because the 3 in the ones place is only worth 3. So we need to take ones hops now. So we took our 1 tens jump. Now I'm going to take 3 ones hops. 1, 2, 3. And we landed on 58. So 45 plus 13 equals 58. Now, let's write this problem down. You'll try it on your own, and then we'll go over it and see how we did. 17 plus 61. So let's get that down. $17 plus 61. So you can go ahead and try and solve that. Pause the video. Once you've solved it, come on back and we'll see if we got the same answer. Welcome back. Now when I took my jumps and my hops to solve 17 plus 61, I got 78. So give me a silent me too if you also got the answer 78. And if you didn't, let's double check to see where we could have made some mistakes. So I have 17, plus 61. Wait. Yeah. 17 plus 61. So remember, the first thing you want to do is start at the number that you're given. Now we know from the turnaround rule, in addition, we can start at either number, but I'm just going to start at the first number I'm given, which was 17. I know that the 6 in the tens place is telling me I need to take 6 tens jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 1 in the ones place is telling me I need to take 1 ones hop. 1. And I landed on 78. Now, if you also wanted to, you could have started at 61 and added 17 by taking 1 tens jump and 7 ones hops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And landed on the same number. In your seesaw assignment, there are 5 more problems that you can solve using this strategy. Make sure that you either take a picture or a video and show your learning with me and Miss Canali. And I'll see you tomorrow.